Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Apecoin and I'll be providing a market analysis going over some key levels to watch out for, the Ape Bitcoin ratio, and my general takeaways with this altcoin. So if you guys enjoy the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, by the way, feel free to check out our sponsors in the link in the description below. This channel is partnered with FTX.us. So I'm going to start off here on the daily chart for Apecoin on the USD pair. And I first want to cover this area around $5.17. Now, I've been talking about this level in all of my Apecoin videos because I think it's an extremely important level that absolutely needs to be looked at. And the reason is because if we go all the way back here to this massive capitulation like event in May, this is where Apecoin found support off of. We had a pretty strong bounce right up into this level around $9. And then from there, eventually when we broke down below it, we flipped it into resistance on two retests, one in June and then another in July. So this is a very key level for me. And I do want to see Apecoin have a more convincing bounce off of this now that we've actually broken back above it and we're having this retest. So you can see the past few daily candles have been coming down to this region. What I want to see from here is starting to bounce off this region and cementing this as support. Now that brings me into this green line here I have drawn. This is an upward sloping trend line, and basically it's just signifying the fact that we've got higher lows and we have the potential for an uptrend because we do have that structure once again with the low back in June being around $3 and this low back in September being around $4.20. So what I want to see from here is a continuation of the structure where if we bounce from here off the support, then I'm going to be looking to see if Apecoin can make a higher high. And for Apecoin, a move anywhere back above August's high would be a higher high. And that level is around $7.77. So if Apecoin can start to move up from here and take that high out, that's going to be a very bullish sign that we do have a new uptrend starting to form. And beyond that, if we do take out that high, the next level of resistance is once again that area around $9. That was the previous resistance back in May. That was where we had all these candles coming up, rejecting off of, and then ultimately coming back down lower. So a bounce off support at this level around $5.17 and making a higher high is the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario is if we take out this higher low that was set back in September, which is once again around $4.20. And if Apecoin does take that low out, then I will be looking out to the all-time low back in June around $3 as our next area of support. So now I want to switch over here to the Apecoin Bitcoin ratio, and I really just want to focus on this very key level ranging from around 31,000 to around 33,000 Satoshis. Now this area has held as resistance on multiple occasions. And if I just zoom in here back to when Apecoin first launched, notice how this level held as resistance on several occasions. You can see that we had this rejection right here earlier on in March. A few days later, we just had several more rejections. And then eventually when Apecoin did break above it, that was sort of the catalyst for this massive mania phase and blow off top. This level also held as resistance on this move back in August. After this pretty massive uptrend beginning in June, we had this rejection. We came back down and then another retest just a few weeks ago, right back at this level once again. And as of this moment, we have been in a downtrend since we rejected off of it. So I do want to see longer term Apecoin start to flip this into support. So as an illustration or visualization, what that would look like is if we can make our way back up to this level, and then instead of rejecting like we did back in September, August, and immediately following the launch, we would have a move that starts to get back above this level, reclaims it, flips it into support, and then from there, a continuation higher. And this is a very bullish structure that I do want to see play out into the next few weeks. And if Apecoin Bitcoin does get back above this level and does flip it into support, then that's going to be a sign that we might be starting to head back up to some of these all-time highs. And a move like that would bring a lot of relative strength into the Apecoin USD pair and potentially bring it up to some of these higher valuations. So I hope you guys did enjoy the content and the analysis. By the way, once again, check out our sponsors in the link in the description below. This channel is partnered with FTX.us, and if you sign up with my referral code SNOWYCrypto or through the referral link in the description below, you can get a 5% discount on exchange fees. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.